Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar, and today in this video we are going to discuss about publisher and subscribers in C Sharp. And this we will do by using the delegates, and after that I will show you by using the events. So let's go to our topic. So before going to our topic, I want to say that please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's discuss about the publisher and subscriber model. Publisher is a class which sends some notification when some action or thing happens. Subscriber is a class which receives this notification or listen this notification from the publisher. We can achieve publisher and subscriber model by using delegates and events. Using events for publisher and subscriber is recommended. Using events for publisher and subscriber is recommended because due to events, publisher has full control over publishing and no other class like subscriber can perform publish. In case of delegate, there is possibility of publishing a notification from subscriber also because subscriber gets the object of publisher and have access to invoke method of delegate. Why publisher and subscriber model? This is the need of enterprise applications where next actions are depend on the completion of earlier or other actions. And to notify to the actions or work which is to be performed after requires publishing of notification by publisher. Real world examples are notify the subscriber when latest news comes. If new video is uploaded, the subscriber of that channel should be notified with the new video link. In the e-commerce applications, messages are sent to the customer when their order crosses some stages of delivery, like ready for shipping, dispatch, delivered, etc. Steps for creating publisher and subscriber model. So there are some steps for creating the publisher and subscriber model. First, we need to create one delegate and then create an event in the publisher class of type the earlier created delegate. Create the method that will raise the event in the publisher class. Assign the method of the subscriber class to the delegate of publisher class. Those should be called when the publisher class raises an event. Example in Visual Studio. Now we will see the example of publisher and subscriber model in the Visual Studio. Here in the Visual Studio, you can see that I have created one project. Name of the project is publisher and subscriber. This is a console application. In this project, I have created one publisher class you can see here and two subscriber classes. There is subscriber 1 and subscriber 2. First, I will go into the publisher class and I will show you what publisher class contains. So in the publisher class, you can see that I have created one delegate. Name of the delegate is custom delegate. This delegate does have return type is void, means this delegate will hold the reference of the method that will not return any value. And you can see that this delegate is having one parameter, name of the parameter, type of the parameter is string and name is message. So this delegate will hold the reference or will call the method which will return no value or void, and it will take one argument of type string. Now you can see that I have created the publisher class, and in the publisher class, I have created one variable of the custom delegate which I have created earlier, and I have assigned null here to this delegate variable. And in the publish class, I have created one method. Name of the method is publish, and in this publish method, I am raising this delegate or invoking the method of the delegate. So from here, I will raise or I will publish the message. So this method is publish method I am using for publishing the messages. Now I will show you the subscriber class. So this is my subscriber 1 class. And in this subscriber 1 class, I have created one variable of publisher class that is underscore p, and I have assigned null value to it. And in the subscriber 1 constructor, I'm taking the object of the publisher class and I'm assigning this object to publisher variable that is underscore p. This object I'm assigning into underscore p. And here I have one method, name of the method is receive message. And This receive message takes one string argument and it returns void, means it does not return any value. And this receive message prints the line on the console screen, that is subscriber one plus received message here. So it will print subscriber one and the received message. Now I have another subscriber class. Name of that subscriber class is subscriber2, and this subscriber class has one publisher variable POBJ of type publisher, that is publisher class. And the constructor of this subscriber2 takes the object of the publisher class and assign this object to the variable of this p underscore POBJ of publisher. And this subscriber2 class is having received message one method